Okay, there. I'm going to take off the dust cover. There's a 3/4 inch bolt front and back. On each side. Then there's one bolt on the top, and what it has on it is a little locking tab that's bent over up against it. You have to bend away so that you get your socket down on it. It's a 15/16 socket. Got it started with the little screwdriver. Need to get it all the way down so we can get the socket on it. 15/16 fits. And the dust cover, big bolt that goes into the steering knuckle. So the dust cover and the brake caliper holder bracket are now off. Just wanted to show that the brake caliper bracket goes in front of the steering knuckle up at the top where the big bolt is, and behind the steering knuckle down at the bottom where the two small bolts go. And this steering arm here is bolted behind the steering knuckle on both of these lower bolts. One last note, this rod or arm that the tie rod bolts to connects to the calipers or to the steering knuckle, and it goes down and towards the inside of the car when it's installed properly on the driver's side. Okay, one last thing I wanted to point out here. The brake caliper bracket holder is on the inboard side of the fitting that goes to the tie rod end. So that's important to have that on the correct way so that your brakes line up.